So, ito yung binigay sa akin na damit ng kapatid ng aking asawang Indiano. So, tingnan nyo naman ang presyo. Na, 799. Ito siya. Simpleng-simple lang ito, pero 799. T-shirt lang yan. Ang ganyan. So, we are walking again. What time is now?
7:20.
It's 7:20 in the morning. So it's my first time wearing this t-shirt.
Yes, today we are late because we are attending the mass.
There's the mass there. It's very calm place. It feels like I'm in the Philippines.
Different place.
So I want to go there and to have the
My
bread.
wife want to attend the whole mass, but she didn't attend because we are late here.
We're
Because
late.
first time we know that there is also mass in this time. So we will try to
Next
go
time.
tomorrow.
And I can't go there because
Early in the morning.
yes, because the preach told us in the Philippines, if you will go to the church, you need to wear dress, not like this t-shirt then the jacket pants. Like that.
In the
So
in Philippines, maybe these kinds of dress not allowed in the church. So
it's allowed if you are very hard-headed.
okay.
But the yes, but the people will watch,
Okay.
they will think, oh, what kind of person?
Good morning.
Good morning. They will think, what kind of person? Where you are not following the dress code of the church.
Let's go.
So we're going home. So itong t-shirt na to ay bigay sa akin ng aking friend. So ito, kapag kasi ako ang mag-design, hindi talaga ako bibili ng expensive na damit. Dahil sa amount na iyon ay napakarami ko nang nabibili. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga mamahal. Simple lang at yung komportable ako. Napakainit na. Alas 7 pa lang pero napakainit na. Arol, what's na naman? Alas 7 pa lang dito sa India pero napakainit na. Oh my God. It's summer. Super summer. It's young.
But
It's not very garam.
not so.
Not so, no. After 1 hour, it will be very garam now.
After 9 o'clock, it's very hot.
Very garam later. Gami hotel later. Alam niyo ba na dito sa India, kahit napakainit, walang gumagamit ng
You
payong.
can show the academic college.
Jack, here in Jack, people are not using umbrella na, even if it's very garam.
Yeah, they are not
Even
using
if
umbrella
it's
here.
very hot, they're not using umbrella. Compared to the Philippines, I always use umbrella. Even if I will go outside. It's very garam, very hot. So, bumibili ng gatas. After talaga dito sa India, milk is life. So, lahat ng tao ay bumibili ng gatas, sopas. I mean, yung, pan, tinapay. So, lahat sila ay bibili talaga. Lahat ng mga tao ay bibili ng gatas everyday. So we're buying papaya to increase my milk, to help increase my milk.
कितने के?
So I always eat papaya.
इसको भी इसमें 5 रुपए कम 2 ग्राम
Parang nagmumukha ng kapayas ang aking tiyan.
कितना बोले?
100
100?
कम है 100 ग्राम दो
How much, Jack?
2 ग्राम के 2 किलो 5 रुपए
Do you want to eat papaya?
मारते माँ? बाबा मारते हैं? अच्छा अच्छा, कौन कौन मारते हैं? दादा, पापा, मम्मी मारते? मम्मी भी मारते? क्या क्या खाया? पानी पिया दाल का।